Let us learn how to import data in SPSS. The file type that we are going to open in SPSS is the Excel file type. Excel, as I said earlier, is one of the most popular file type when we work in the SPSS. Often as a researcher, we collect our data in the MS Excel or other Excel spreadsheets, and we try to import that data in SPSS. Let us see how to do that. So I have my data set located on my desktop in the samples folder. So this is the data set. Let's see what is there inside the data set. Double click over it to open, and you can see this data set contains 3 Excel sheets. One is named as survey sample data, and there is smokers data, and third is poll data. So I have combined 3 different types of data set for the sake of demonstration. When you collect your data, you might save your data in the various spreadsheets, and you can import that data either from different spreadsheets or from the same sheets. So it's quite a possibility we have our data from 3 or more different sheets, and we want to import only 1 or 2 sheets at a time to work with. So the data is about basically the demographic characteristics of the subjects, you can see, and it's basically about the smoking habit, the weight of person, and cigarette smoking behavior, and then we have the poll data. So let us see how we can import the data in SPSS. So to import an Excel sheet, you can click on this folder icon, and if not, this is a shortcut and very handy to import data. But if you don't want to use it, you can go to the file and click on open, and then you can click on the data. So it will ask you to locate your file. Since my file is located on the desktop, so I will go to the desktop and then open my relevant folder where the file is located. Now you cannot see the Excel file, any Excel file here, though we have the Excel file. The reason is that we have selected the file type as spss.sav. So we have to select the Excel so that we can see our sample data stored there. So once you select, you can see the survey sample data is visible now. So click on this data and see what happens. So you can see the SPSS is prompting you to select your right worksheet. So we are having 3 worksheets: survey sample, smokers, and poll data, and currently we want to import only the survey sample data. Again, you can specify a particular range of data that you want. For example, suppose in this sheet, in the survey sample data, I just want say first 5 rows from A to E. So I can specify it, but let's see first how to import the entire sample sheet. So if you want to import the entire worksheet, you can leave this field as blank and do not type anything over it, and click on just OK. Your entire data will be imported. So you can see the complete data set has been imported, and this is your entire data set. Now suppose for some reason we don't want to import the entire worksheet and we want to just import the first 100 rows of the data. So we will do accordingly, and again go to your sample folder where your folder is located, and again select the file type as Excel and click open. Again you can see our entire survey data consists from A1 to AT2833. It goes from A1 here, so this is your A1, to AT2833. So till here. So that basically encompasses all your data. So to import this, what we will do, we will define, and what we want the first 100 observations. So we'll go here and define here from E1 till E101. Now why 101? Because your first row is basically descriptor of your variable, and we want data of the first 100 individuals. So that's why we have taken 101. And why E? Because we wanted the data of first 5 columns. So from A1 to E101. So where is a 101? here 72. So we are expecting this data here. So let us see. Click OK and see the last observation is 72, and we have successfully imported the data of 100 observations. So that's how you can import your entire Excel sheet or just import a selective part of it.